So, what is the Windsor Framework? Well, the Windsor Framework is effectively a new agreement between the United Kingdom and the EU that replaces the Northern Ireland Protocol. Okay, so that was part of the original Brexit agreement, and it addressed how goods moved between the United Kingdom and Northern Ireland, and the Windsor Framework is just going to replace that. Okay, so you might be thinking, how does that affect me in my warehousing business? Well, the answer is, it's just going to change the way you ship things to Northern Ireland. So effectively, you're going to need to provide additional information for when you ship things to Northern Ireland. But if you're using Dispatch Cloud, then we've already got all that baked in. So all you need to do is make sure that you've got the correct product information, the correct product data inside our system, and we will take care of the rest of it for you. The good news is that under the new protocol, things should move much smoother to Northern Ireland, so there should be a lot less problems with actually getting the goods to the customers when they are based in Northern Ireland. Well, one of the changes is that goods going into Northern Ireland will now go into one of two lanes, okay? So there'll be a green lane for things staying in Northern Ireland, and there'll be a red for those that are destined to eventually end up in the EU. Another change is that for goods that are going to Northern Ireland, the process of getting them there will become smoother for green lane transport, and it should mean that the goods arrive faster and with less customs problems. And another aspect of the new framework is the introduction of a new digital system which is going to track and monitor goods going into Northern Ireland. This would mean potentially additional requirements and technology requirements to get your goods in. However, if you're using Dispatch Cloud, then we've got you covered on that, so you don't need to worry. Well, you should familiarise yourself with the new rules. You should make sure that your product data is up to date in your Dispatch Cloud account. If you're not using Dispatch Cloud, you should contact us because we can help you get ready for the Windsor Framework. And you should keep communication open, stay in touch with your suppliers and partners, and make sure everyone is aware and that everyone knows what these changes will mean.